Hey, this is John the Supertaster, and today I'm going to try out these red apricots. I've never seen them before. It says, soft and velvety with a sweet, juicy center. So, that's what it's supposed to look like on the inside. I love regular apricot. Tastes very similar. Honestly, I might like the yellow-orange apricot even more. The yellow-orange apricot is one of my favorite fruits. Plumcots are even better, in my opinion, but they're sweeter. They don't have the kick that regular apricots have, so that's why I don't like it as much, I think, because I like the kick.